to teach you how to make French toast. So we have Celestia. Sup? And we have Fluttershy. Okay, she's obsessed with dogs.
I found the cookies.
By the way, today we're going to be making French toast. We're going to teach you how. So first, you have to go over here. You need a plate, and you need to put 4 white Oreos on top.
Yeah, you need to put 4 white Oreos. White. Wait, say white.
Okay.
No, these white Oreos. The package should look like this. It's golden Oreos, actually, because
Yeah.
it's golden.
Okay, now all we need to do is get over here. Go over here. It's okay. What you need to do is get one of your favorite things out of the fridge. So let me see. Where's my favorite thing? Aha! Here it is. Here it is. Okay, here we go.
No.
Got it. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. I got it.
Where's the camera?
Okay, got it. Okay, here we go. Now what we need to do is put it in the microwave. I'll see you in the next episode when we're all done. Okay? So, I'll put it in the microwave off camera. And, yeah, we'll see if it'll turn into a piece of French toast. So, bye. I'm going to go ahead and start. Hey, you guys. Again? We're back. We're going to go check if our French toast, if it's changed it to French toast. So, yeah. Not yet. Okay? We need to tell him something.
This is insane. I mean, how could this possibly happen? Putting it in here makes it French toast. I mean, come on. Hey, turn into French toast. This is not French toast. Look. This.
Okay, you guys. Well, it looks like it has changed. Yeah.